Hi guys, this is Apurva Jain and welcome to my channel Creative Apurva Jain. So my today's video is about homemade Rakhi with quilling strips. It's really very easy and you'll enjoy making it. So first let's check the materials required. So the first main material is quilling strips. The quilling strips comes of different I have used the 5 one for this particular Rakhi. Fabric glue. Make sure you use this fabric glue for sticking. Some beads. You can get beads in this collective form in a string, which becomes easy for you to handle. Some more add-ons instead of the beads. You can even use these kind of add-ons. Satin ribbons of any color. Laces also can be used instead of satin ribbons. It looks really good. And last, this needle pin or needle pen. So let's get started. So I'll be making the Rakhi as shown on this picture. So for that you just need two colored strips, that is white and orange. I'm first making the middle part of the Rakhi. For that you'll need one orange color strip and two white colored strips. Make sure that you stick it properly. Just press it for a while you stick it. One part of the strip is stuck. Let's stick the second one and press it for a while. Make sure you do it really neatly and then take this pin and start rolling the strips by taking support of your finger and your thumb. Keep adjusting and keep rolling it. While taking it out of the pin, make sure you hold it really tight so that this doesn't come out, and keep rolling it and keep it tight. Once again, stick the glue and press it for a while. And press on the top, pinch it on the top so that it gives this kind of shape. So next we'll be making the small rolls. For that you need one full strip of white color. Keep rolling it the same way you did for the first one. And first you need to adjust and check for the number of rolls you will need. So start making around 4 to 5 rolls. You need at least 5 for this type. So once you are done with making 5 small rolls with the strips, arrange it before you stick it so you get an idea if you need more or less. So that's it, I got it perfect. So next step is to stick the glue properly because you need to attach the quillings amongst each other. So you need to be careful while doing this. So carefully apply it on the middle part and press it for a while. You can keep it down and press it. So after the first one is stuck, stick the others the same way and make sure it gets stuck to the middle part as well and to the ones which is adjacent to it, which is just next to it. You need to stick it all the way. Everything is stuck. Just check once that everything is glued properly. Just press it once. And once everything is constant, it means yes, it's properly stuck to each other. So now let's go for the last step, which is decorating it with the beads. So I'm taking the smaller ones for the side ones and the bigger one for the middle part of the Rakhi. But I really don't like the color of the bead, so I'm going to paint it with my nail polish. Make sure you keep a paper under your craft work. So I'll be taking this nail polish and painting the bead. It's not actually tough, you can check how I paint it. So you've covered this bead with the nail paint. Keep it on the paper to set aside for a while and let it dry. It will dry soon. So by the time the bigger bead is getting dried, let's stick the smaller beads. So let's apply the glue on the base, that is the quilling part. And when you place the bead, just set it for a while. Don't move it again and again, because this glue has the power to keep it stuck once it's dried. You can just set it by pressing a bit with your thumb, and that's it, the beads are done. And voila, the Rakhi is done. So I cut out the lace and stuck it with the same glue and kept it aside for a while to let it dry. And yes, it's done. So this was a simple Rakhi and it looks good and decent on the hand. More design, and instead of the beads I used sketch pen to make it a little bit easier and convenient. And these are some more designs that I made. You can also make it as per your wish. It's really easy, simple and fun to make. Thank you guys, and a very happy Raksha Bandhan to one and all.